Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Eve for HomeKit smart sensors set up step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Eve app installed on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Eve app on your device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone or iPad. Connect your HomeKit hub if you haven't already. Tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select Add Accessory to start the registration process. Scan the HomeKit setup code found on your Eve sensor. If the code is not visible, check the packaging or the sensor itself. Once scanned, the app will prompt you to add the accessory to your home. Choose the appropriate home configuration if prompted. Assign a name to your Eve sensor for easy identification. Select the room where your Eve sensor will be located. Tap Done to complete the setup. Your Eve sensor is now added to your HomeKit setup. Test the sensor by checking its status in the app. Adjust any settings or notifications according to your preferences. Your Eve sensor is now ready for use with HomeKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.